He's not gonna drown, is he?
Yeah, that's one for you.
There we go.
Mama, I can't wait for a second.
No, don't stick your nose in it. There you go.
You also. You know what's fast in here? I don't mind.
Are you hiding?
Let's go.
I'm dripping my dress in. You're a little hot, so I'll put you in the creek.
Let's go. Oh, don't fall. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Well, let's go. Come on.
He's like, I found land. You're a water dog.
There's glass over here.
All right, be careful. Mama's not gonna pick you up. It's getting deeper. It gets deeper there. You guys swim if you're gonna come over here. Mama's in the deep end, isn't she? Mama, I can't get to you. I'm gonna have to start swimming. We just had a bath yesterday, Mama. Hi, baby. You're doing good. Little crayfish running from you.
Whoa, I'm down. Okay, what?
Crayfish.
What's that?
Those little lobster tiny thingies. Oh, we had to go pee.
Can I go on the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to the other side. Bye.
Uh-oh, someone's trying to follow you. No, don't go that. Don't take him that way. Yeah, but this way's cleaner.
It is?
Uh-huh. Your feet wet. Mama. Mama, the feet are wet. I'm all wet, Mama. I'm gonna dry myself off, Mama. Oop. You wet? It cooled you off. I was a little worried about you. You were getting awful hot. Yes, Mama is hot. Oh, I can't jump in and bite you. No, you can't bite my arm.
it's just a plain paper bag.
All right, throw it up there so we can throw it in the trash can.
Okay. You think, Mama? Ooh.
He put you in the deep end.
Oh, I'm so wet. This water hurts. What?
So Bastogne is 8 weeks old. He is a gray Newfie. Not sure if he likes to swim yet.
Whoa,
he says.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
He needs to go potty. Hopefully he's going to go potty. Oh, yep, we're going to go potty.
Come on, boy. Come on, Bastogne. Come on. Come on, Bastogne. 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 Come on, Bastogne. Bastogne. Whoa, whoa.
He's like, Mama, I don't know what we're doing here. Mama. Mama, don't go in the water again.
Don't slip. Don't slip. I barely slipped in. I slipped over. Mom, look at that big rock of quartz. It's a huge rock of quartz. We can make a block of quartz. This will turn me off, Mom.
Uh-oh, I think someone has a hiccups.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a crawfish. What is it? Crawfish is living under there.
Hi, baby. Don't fall off the rock.
You pushed me.
Let me
That
see
might
that
hurt.
cute face. Yes.
You think, Mama?
I'm not gonna fall in the river.
What?
I'm not gonna fall in the river today.
Oh, you might? I will. I was finding out what the water bag. It gave me fresh from the hotness. Right, Mom?
It is refreshing.
Yeah, I can feel a little bit wet. Let me see you.
So you put you in the water again. Mama, where's a high rock? Don't get out.
Here, come here, look. Come here. What? Come on. Look this. It's dead. What's this? Could be no fossil.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna kill it now.
Don't fall down the hill. I think it's already dead, honey.
Ew, down.
Yeah, no, I think you're really crusted under there.
No, no one noticing.
Mom, how much do you think that block of course would go for on eBay?
Is this a brick?
Oh, don't get that crawfish. I guess it's a good thing you smashed it.
Yes.
Because he's sniffing for it.
Where's that crawfish I found? And then he just smashed it. I don't know. Is this a piece of brick?
Could be. No, it's a rock.
Near the brook right there, there's a brook right in front of Bastogne. We just walked on it.
King of the mountain. What are you showing me?
It's yellow.
Oh, that's because you were probably playing with that fruit. Wash your hands in the creek.
I don't.
Watch dipping your butt in the creek, Derek.
Huh?
Watch dipping your butt in the creek.
Imagine Bastogne could
Yeah, I
stand
think I'm done
underwater.
for because I think I just dyed myself with walnut, whatever you call them.
Oh well, I jump. Ow, that rock fell in my hand. Is it showing me mud? Trying to find a wide place. Ouch. I was going to put him farther.
Yeah,
No,
when I
he's
get
fine.
home, I need to fix it.
He didn't put the movie up.
What? I didn't put up in a bad way. I was putting it up in a...
Bastogne. Bastogne.
What, did you bite him?
No, wait. No, kiss me on the cheek. Bastogne. Ow. Bastogne.
Mom, look at the baby crawfish. The baby crawfish is crawling. There's 2 of them.
Oh, Sam.
Right there. There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Where?
It's a baby crawfish.
Where is it?
Right there. Barely just see him. It's camouflaging so well.
Bastogne. Ow, Bastogne. You got me, Bastogne. You're gonna hurt me. The monster's trying to hurt me. The big monster trying to hurt me. Ouch. Come here, Bastogne.
How many atoms do you think's in here?
Come on, baby. It's gonna come out. Bastogne! We gotta go out this way. We gotta cross the creek.
I'm gonna cross it.
Look, the poles are moving. The poles. I'm swimming, Mama. I'm swimming. I'm not quite ready to swim yet. Oh,
Yeah,
look, I gotta cross the creek. Mama, I gotta cross. Oh, that was horrendous, Mama.
He's like soap. We won't touch this if we're so good. I am not falling over.
What's this?
We're almost done.
Guess mushrooms.
Can I touch it?
I guess. Oh, almost fell.
Mama, I'm doing it. Mama. It's not that deep.
Oh, that was a slippery rock, Mama. Come on. Come on, Bastogne. So don't go.
There you go.
I'm coming, Mama. Come. Oh. I almost made it, Mama. Almost made it. There we go. Oh, I'm up. Okay. Whew. I'm saved. Mama, can we go back now? Whoa. Mama, come. Mama, I rescue you, Mama.
His underbelly is so wet.
Yeah.
His belly is so
Are
wet.
you going to try and rescue me? Are you going to try and rescue Mama? Mama's still in the water. And you're going to try and rescue her. Her Bastogne. Yeah? You going to rescue Mama? Are you going to rescue Mama? Good boy. Mama, get out of the water. Mama. Oh, baby. Mama, out. I don't have to rescue. I don't. I'm not old enough yet.
It's okay, Bastogne.
Get Mama out of the water. You're out.
How are you going to get the mommy